Hello everyone, I am Atul and today date is 14th of January 2022 and now we discuss about the Java 8 interfaces changes in Java 8. So first we discuss the overview of interface, that is what is interface, some rules about interface, syntax of interface, etc. So interface is a blueprint of class. It is a static constant. In interfaces, there are all the methods are public abstract, uh, and we can achieve the interface. We can achieve the multiple inheritance in a interface. So why we need to use the interface in Java? So using interface we can achieve 100% abstraction uh, in yeah, using interface we can achieve the loose coupling in Java, and using interface we can achieve the multiple inheritance in Java. So syntax of interface is interface keyword, and then interface name, and then a body of interface. So that is the overview of interface in Java. So now we discuss the uh, in Java 8 the interface features. So the Java 8 release introduce or allows us to have static and default method in interfaces. That is the features of interfaces in Java 8. And using default method in interface, Java it is a very useful to Java developer. So Java 8 also allows the interface to have a static method. So static methods is a method which declared with static keyword. The static methods are the same as those we define in classes. The static method cannot be overridden by the class that implements the interface. Uh, Java 8 also introduces the lambda expression inside functional interfaces. Uh, from Java 8 uh, from Java 8 versions there are predefined functional interfaces added. First we discuss the static method in a interface. The interface can also have a static method that have definitions. These are the static methods in the interfaces. The static method defined inside the interface, and they cannot be override or changed by classes. The method with declared with static keyword, then it is known as a static interface. We can call the static method by directly using the interface name. That is the features of static method in interfaces included in Java 8 version. Now next is default method. uh, Java interfaces before Java 8 permitted only abstract methods. Then in after Java 8 there provides one more method, that is a default method. Hence we altered the interfaces by adding a method to it. The implementation class also would change. This limitation was overcome in Java 8 version that allowed the interfaces to have default method. The default method in a way provides backward compatibility to us existing interface, and we need not alter the implementation class. Now next is now we discuss the relationship between uh, classes and interface in interface. If we wants to relationship between classes and interface, then we can use the implements keyword between them. If we wants to a relationship between uh, interface to interface, then there are we extends keyword between them. So that is all about the Java interfaces features in Java 8. So thank you for this video.